Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi Vishwakarma and I'm 21 years old and only 4 to 5 days are left of my college. That is also just for the exams. Everything is over and I'm going to graduate very soon, and at this time I am thinking about getting job because I used to do an internship. I did it for 6 months but I didn't feel like continuing it. So I just terminated after completing the 6 months because the agreement was for 6 months only, and I've just completed that and I'm happy about it. And now I'm home. I love creating content, so I was thinking let's start creating content every single day, talk about the things that you like, talk about whatever the knowledge I have. I would love to share it with you. And I am a computer engineering student, by the way, and I've did the bachelor's course in computer science. So it's almost over, and I did work as an web developer in one company for 6 months, but I didn't feel like continuing it. I just hate the corporate life. I just realized that I'm not made for this, so I'm not going to continue in that at all. At any cost I won't do it. Even they pays me around 50,000 per month as a beginner, I would not love to continue in that field. So I was thinking about let's pursue the dream that I always wanted to pursue, which was airline. I was always interested in air, space, and all the things related to sky. And because of that I was thinking about joining Indian Navy, sorry, Indian Air Force. So sorry, I'm not going to edit this. You're going to see all the raw footage because I don't want to edit. So I was thinking about joining the Indian Air Force, but I've seen the exams and all, and I feel like I am not. I'll try if I can, but I was also interested in cabin crew. I used to see the airplane videos and love airplane. All the people who are in aviation are so high class, and I want to be like them. I want to live like them, and that is what I am thinking about right now. And I check all the criteria, and I fit very fine in all of them. And I am trying to improve my communication skills, and that is the reason why I'm starting my content creation. So you're going to see these kind of videos every single day, and maybe this will help me improve my communication skills. And also I would love to have help from your side by commenting in the comment section. Wherever I made mistake, just correct me. Whenever I do make some grammar mistake or anything while speaking, I want to correct this. So okay, so that was it. Now I'll talk about all the things that I have prepared already in order to get into aviation. So the first thing, I have checked the all the hiring procedures. So we just have to register ourselves in their website career page, and then we can check all the walk-in dates and just go. And we have to have the whole walking interview uniform or costume, whatever. There are criteria for the look. We have to have a sleek bun along with the formal shirt and mid-length skirt with the stockings and heels, which is formal. And we have to have a very neat and clean bun with the net and every single thing. And your height should be at least 155 centimeter for female, and for male it is 170 centimeters for most of the airline. And you can also check for different airlines in different way. And our mobile is not correct. Okay, now it is correct. And you should not be having any powers in your eye. If you have, you have to wear a contact lens because we cannot wear spec. And luckily I don't have. Grateful. You shouldn't be having any tattoos in the visible area while wearing the uniform, like wrist and neck and something. No, it is not allowed. And you shouldn't be having any dark spots. I have to hide them. I do have this permanent spot from the childhood, so I need to hide them with concealer. And also you should be knowing Hindi and English at least in very fluent manner for domestic airline, and for international English is must. And whatever the language they may ask, I don't know, but most probably English is also is the only most important language they consider. And for internationals you must be needing some kind of experience in customer service, but for domestic it is not needed. You can apply as a fresher and get selected if you are well enough and well prepared. So now I'm going to tell you the step how you can get into this by preparing. So first thing, you need to check all the eligibility criteria that I've said. Check your height, check your weight. Yeah, weight should be proportionate to your height. Check the BMI calculator. Measure your height, measure your weight, and just put it in. And that range should be in between 18 to 22 for female and 18 to 25 for male. Okay, after checking this, just check your BMI, height, weight, and tattoos and stuff. Your education should be 12th pass, 12th pass, and and mm, you should having fluency in your English, listening, speaking, and also writing. You should be knowing all of this, and also Hindi. You should be good enough in Hindi as well. And when you apply, you have to have a resume ready with you, in which the profile picture is important. You have to have your profile picture in the beginning of the resume, and this just the normal resume which you usually have. And if you have experience, you can create CV. You can write experience, and just make sure that it is according to the whatever the role you're applying for. And then yeah, that is all. You have to click your passport photo in the cabin crew look. Formal shirt, hairstyle, makeup, everything should be well enough. Grooming is the most important thing in airline, because if you're good in grooming, even if it is your communications not up to mark, they will help you. They will give you PhD training, which is pre-hiring training, in which they teach you how to speak, how to actually boost your confidence, and how to use the words perfectly and deliver the things what you need to tell to the client or the customers, whatever. So yeah, that is all about it. Just so the step number one, check all the criteria. Step number two, go and click your full size passport photo in the interview look. Third, apply to the register to the actual page of the airline. Just register yourself, check all the walk-ins and stuff. If there are walk-in interview, you can just go and give. And if you go, there are 4 rounds. First is GD, which is group discussion. Second is BMI. If you clear in GD, you have to go for BMI. And after BMI, there are virtual interview, and the last one is personal interview. If you completed all of them and get selected, then you're selected. And there are option number two, which is online assessment. If you give online assessment, it is going to be happen in your mobile or laptop. You just have to give your interview in laptop, and the question will appear in your screen, and you have to answer it within 60 to 75 seconds. And it will get submitted automatically, and if you're good enough, they are going to invite you, send you the invitation mail for walk-in personal interview. Sorry, personal interview. In that personal interview, you just have to clear 2 rounds, which is one is personal interview and one is BMI. That is it. You don't have to give any GD and virtual round, because you are already selected via the online thing, and that is also a very good thing. But getting selected takes time, so that is all about it. So just go and prepare well, prepare all the interview questions, search for the question, write down your own answers in your own words, and try to be confident while speaking. Walk confidently, talk confidently, and believe in yourself, and you'll get selected. I've never given the interview, but I have studied about all of these things a lot in my head, a lot in my laptop, all the videos I've seen, and all the questions I've written in my notebook. Now I'm going to start preparation. I'll just prepare each and every questions, and yeah, prepare all the situational based question because that are important. So yeah, if you are interested, just DM me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. You can just simply DM me if you have any queries regarding the cabin crew. And yeah, I'm also aspirant like you. I'm not pro, but I would love to improve myself along with you. So that is it for this video, and this was my first video. I'm so happy to make this, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay positive. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.